I got my barrel pump. I fixed the packing leak, got it extended to the bottom. Once I get it started pumping, it's hooked up all the way out to the goldfish pond. It drains by gravity, by siphoning out of the barrel. I just had to get it started pumping, and now it's working by itself. But I've got 2 rain barrels. I just emptied one. I'm on the second one, so I'm just trying to use the rainwater to fill up the goldfish pond. That rain barrel is, with the barrel pump, is 275 foot away. Once I got it pumped and draining, now it's siphoning 275 feet. So now my rain barrel will be ready if it rains again this year. So I'm just simple things, trying to conserve water. There's the goldfish. I worked on the barrel pump, fixed the packing nut, so it's working good. That's a 55-gallon drum. This will be the second one, so 110 gallons. So that's what I'm doing today. Got the barrel pump fixed, got the rain barrel set.